Hey, I'm Becca, and this is my project on the whooping cough. The whooping cough pathogen is Bordetella pertussis. It is extremely small, strictly aerobic, gram-negative, non-motile cocobacillus, and does not grow on common laboratory media. The symptoms of infection for whooping cough have 3 stages. The first stage are sneezing, a runny nose, mild coughing, watery eyes, and sometimes a mild fever. My assistant will now demonstrate. It's hot.
The second stage is a dry hacking cough intensifies into bursts of uncontrollable, often violent coughing that may make it temporarily impossible to breathe.
Ew. That's unfortunate.
The person may also quickly inhale while trying to take a breath through airways narrowed by inflammation, which sometimes creates a whooping noise.
Ew.
The third and final stage is the gradual recovery period, where the patient or subject or person with whooping cough gains strength and begins to feel better. The cough may become louder and sound worse. Coughing spells become less frequent but may flare up again if a cold or other upper respiratory illness develops.
I'm getting strength and I'm starting to feel better, but I think I still have a cough! Methods of transmission include direct contact with respiratory secretions or large aerosol droplets from the respiratory tract of the infected persons.
These ways are sneezing.
Hey, Becca!
Hey.
Oh, what's wrong?
I have whooping cough.
Man, it's a week later, and I think I might be getting whooping cough.
Another way is coughing.
Hey, what's wrong?
You gave me whooping cough. She gave it back to me. Lastly, another way is laughing.
Hey, how's it going?
You gave me whooping cough back.
Oh, I got a joke. Okay, so me and you, remember when we went to, like, Dippin' Dots, and he was like, here's your nickel bat.
Ha ha ha. I got whooping cough again. The treatments for the disease whooping cough are 1. Erythromycin, which is considered the drug of choice for treatment. Then newer macrolides, clarithromycin, and azithromycin also work. Another is trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole. I said none of those right, so...
It lasts?
Yeah.
Okay, the first stage of whooping cough begin and last for several days to 2 weeks. The second stage of whooping cough lasts 2 to 4 weeks or longer. And the third stage lasts for a few weeks or months.
So as you can see, the disease whooping cough isn't much fun. So hope you learned something. Bye. Back into my closet.